This tutorial will help you with the initial Shipbridge installation. Shipbridge gets updated regularly, so you can go into the Sellercloud support portal and download the latest Shipbridge version. Only the most recent version is shown on this page. Go to the release history and find out the current and previous releases, including the version number, release summary, and release date. The latest version is always shown on top. Shipbridge is a lightweight application. Nevertheless, we recommend you check the minimum hardware and software requirements before installation. Shipbridge is Windows-based. Make sure you are using Windows 7 or later. The minimal system requirements are RAM, 2 GB, hard disk space, 160 MB, CPU, dual-core 2 GHz. After you've made sure your system is compatible, you can download the Shipbridge setup file, run it, and select where Shipbridge should be installed on your computer. Decide whether you wish to create additional shortcuts and click Next. Click Install and finalize the setup. Open the app and log in with your Sellercloud credentials. You will need to go through the Shipbridge configuration process. You can adjust these later in the options window or by running the configuration wizard. Click Next to complete the remaining carrier configuration steps. You can now see the orders that are ready for shipping.